So here we are in section 2 of our blog training. First things first, we go to Google, type in Blogger, and that will take us to the interface where we shall sign in. So let's sign in. And we click there. And if you are using Google for the first time, here is some information that will come up asking you about various settings. We can just ignore those, click no thanks or later, whichever button that comes up, and we'll continue to Blogger. And here we are, and over there is the new blog button at the left hand side, and that button will help us to create a new blog. There we go. And we type in the title for whatever we think our blog should be called, something obviously relevant to the blog, and then we type in its address on the internet. So the title will appear at the top of the blog, and the address is where people may find it on the internet. So perhaps our title needs to be something interesting and catchy. And there we go. We're creating a blog. Now we need to edit our blog to add some content. And logically, there is a little icon with a pencil. We click on it, and that takes us to an interface where we may start typing. So here we go. We are going to add text content to our blog. This is what our readers will see. This is where, for example, our comments would be. That's the publish button. We are not necessarily going to publish right now. We need to put a title for our post, which for many blogs, people say, welcome, greetings, or you are here at my first blog post, but there we go. So, as I said, we have not clicked the publish button. We're going to preview. What does it look like? And notice the preview band across the top left. This is just a preview. So there we see the heading, greetings visitors. And there is our text, blah, 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 blah. Whatever it is that we want to say. Yes, comments section, no comments yet, of course. So we are going to close off that tab, and that takes us back to our publishing interface. And we are going to close that as well, because our blog looked a little boring. So now we need to add some jazz to the blog. Let's make it nice and colorful, if it's a colorful blog that we need. These are templates. Templates are simply designs that have been pre-designed. Designs that you may add to your blog. So there are several of them to choose from. Let's look around. It depends on, click on it, and it depends on what you want your blog to look like. Could be a photo blog, could be a wedding blog, could be a teaching blog. Let's apply this one, and we should see a preview of what it should look like. One of the simple ones, which is red or kind of a brick color. This is what our blog